Have you ever found yourself juggling multiple financial apps, trying to make sense of your spending while also attempting to grow your investments? It's a common dilemma in today's digital age. We have separate platforms for banking, saving, and investing, each with its own login, its own interface, and often, its own set of fees. This fragmentation can make managing your money feel like a chaotic dance, rather than a smooth, well-choreographed flow. You transfer money here, then there, hoping you're not missing an opportunity or incurring unnecessary charges. You try to keep track of your budget in one app, while your investments are fluctuating wildly in another. It's enough to make anyone feel overwhelmed and question if there's a simpler, more effective way to truly optimize their financial life. But what if there was a way to bring it all together? A way to seamlessly integrate your everyday cash management with your long-term investment strategy? Imagine a world where your spending habits inform your savings goals, and your savings automatically fuel your investments, all within a single, intuitive ecosystem. This isn't just a fantasy, it's rapidly becoming a reality with innovative platforms that are redefining personal finance. And today, we're diving deep into one such platform that's making waves, Wealthsimple. Specifically, we're going to explore how combining Wealthsimple Cash with Wealthsimple Invest can create a powerful, symbiotic relationship for your money, transforming the chaotic dance into a harmonious financial flow. For too long, traditional financial institutions have operated in silos. Your checking account at one bank, your savings account at another, and your investment portfolio managed by a third party. This disjointed approach often leads to missed opportunities, inefficient money movement, and a general lack of clarity about your overall financial picture. Think about it. If your spending account offers minimal interest, your idle cash is essentially losing value due to inflation. If your savings are just sitting there, they're not working hard enough for your future. And if connecting your savings to your investments is a manual, cumbersome process, you're less likely to consistently contribute and reap the benefits of compound growth. This is where Wealthsimple steps in, aiming to bridge that gap and provide a holistic solution. Let's break down Wealthsimple's core offerings, Wealthsimple Cash and Wealthsimple Invest. Wealthsimple Cash, recently rebranded to Wealthsimple Checking, isn't just your average checking account. It's designed to be a high-interest hybrid checking and savings account, offering competitive interest rates that often surpass what traditional banks provide. This means your everyday money, the cash you use for bills, groceries, and daily expenses, isn't just sitting idly. It's actively earning interest for you. Imagine getting paid on your spending money. That's the fundamental shift Wealthsimple Cash introduces. Beyond the attractive interest rates, Wealthsimple Cash comes with a host of features designed for modern banking. We're talking no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and a prepaid MasterCard with no foreign transaction fees, making it a great option for those who travel or make international purchases. They even offer up to $1 million in Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation, or CDIC, coverage by spreading your funds across multiple partner banks. This enhanced protection provides a significant peace of mind that many single institution accounts simply can't match. You can set up direct deposits, pay bills automatically, and even send Interac e-transfers, all from within the app. And here's a kicker. You can earn 1% cash back on your spending, which can be awarded directly into your self-directed investment account or any other Wealthsimple account you choose. This is where the synergy begins. Now, let's turn our attention to Wealthsimple Invest. This is where your long-term financial growth comes into play. Wealthsimple Invest offers both managed investing and self-directed investing options, catering to different investor needs and preferences. For those who prefer a hands-off approach, Wealthsimple's managed investing, often referred to as a robo-advisor, builds and manages a diversified portfolio of low-cost exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. You answer a few questions about your objectives and comfort with risk, and Wealthsimple handles the rest, including rebalancing your portfolio and reinvesting dividends. This is an excellent option for new investors or those who want a disciplined, automated approach to long-term wealth building. Their management fees are also highly competitive, typically ranging from 0.4% to 0.5% of your assets under management, significantly lower than many traditional financial advisors. For the more experienced or hands-on investor, Wealthsimple Invest also offers self-directed investing, which they call Wealthsimple Trade. This allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrencies commission-free. You have complete control over your investment decisions, with access to a wide range of securities on both Canadian and U.S. markets. They also offer features like fractional shares, allowing you to invest in high-priced stocks with smaller amounts, and recurring investments, so you can automate your contributions to specific stocks or ETFs. This flexibility and control, combined with zero commission fees on Canadian and U.S. stock trades, makes it a powerful tool for building a personalized portfolio. So, how do Wealthsimple Cash and Wealthsimple Invest work together to create that seamless financial flow we're talking about? This is where the magic truly happens. First, consider the automated investing feature. With Wealthsimple Cash, you can easily set up automatic transfers from your checking account directly into your Wealthsimple Invest accounts, whether that's your managed portfolio, your self-directed stock account, or even your crypto holdings. Imagine your paycheck lands in your Wealthsimple checking account, and a predetermined portion is immediately, automatically, and effortlessly moved into your investment portfolio. This eliminates the set it and forget it mentality, turning it into set it and grow it. You're not relying on willpower or remembering to make manual transfers, the system does it for you. This consistent, disciplined approach to investing is one of the most powerful drivers of long-term wealth accumulation through dollar-cost averaging. Secondly, the 1% cash back on Wealthsimple checking spending can be directly deposited into your investment accounts. This is a game changer. Every dollar you spend, whether it's on your morning coffee or your monthly groceries, is indirectly contributing to your investment portfolio. It's like getting paid to spend, and then having that payment immediately put to work for your future. This small, consistent flow of funds, often unnoticed in its individual transactions, can add up significantly over time, accelerating your investment growth without requiring any extra effort on your part. It's a subtle but incredibly effective way to integrate your spending into your investing strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.